After World War II, the relationship between the US and the USSR was fraught with tension and distrust. The two countries, with their contrasting political and economic systems, were engaged in a fierce competition to show off their superiority and technological might. During the Cold War, they decided to take their rivalry literally out of this world and into space. The space race began in 1957 when the Soviets successfully launched Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite and the first man-made object to be placed into the Earth's orbit. In response to the USSR's surprising space achievement, the US launched its own satellite, Explorer 1, in 1958. This tit-for-tat went on through the rest of the 1950s and 60s. In the late 60s, America seemed to be lagging behind the USSR. After a series of Soviet successes that included Yuri Gagarin and Valentina Tereshkova being the first man and woman in space, the US set its sights on a more ambitious achievement. In 1969, the US attempted the first lunar landing. The Apollo 11 mission was a success, with Neil Armstrong becoming the first person to walk on the moon. For many people, the US won the space race after this momentous event. But what if it didn't happen and the US failed instead? That's what we'll examine today.